Want more bass on your iPhone 17 Pro Max? Whether you're listening with Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, AirPods, or Beats headphones, I'm going to show you the best ways to boost the bass and improve your audio experience. Let's get started. Method 1. Increase bass in Apple Music. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now tap Music. Scroll to the Audio section and tap EQ. Here you'll find several sound presets. If you want stronger bass, select Increase Bass. You can also try Hip Hop. It adds more low end while keeping vocals clear. If you ever want to go back to Apple's original sound, simply choose Flat. Now open Apple Music and play your favorite song. You should notice the bass sounds deeper and more powerful. Method 2. Adjust bass in Spotify or YouTube Music. If you're using Spotify, YouTube Music, or another streaming app, the Equalizer settings are usually built into the app. Open your streaming app. Go to Settings. Look for Playback, Audio, or Audio Quality. Then tap Equalizer. What you're going to want to do is move the sliders on the left side upward. Those lower frequencies control the bass. Start with a small adjustment. Play a song while making changes until you find the sound you like best. Remember, increasing the bass too much may reduce vocal clarity or create distortion. Method 3. Improve audio for AirPods and Beats. If you're listening with supported AirPods or Beats headphones, you can also customize the audio profile. Open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Then tap Audio and Visual. Select Headphone Accommodations. Turn on Headphone Accommodations. Now tap Tune Audio 4. You can choose vocal range or bright sounds depending on what sounds best to you. While this setting doesn't directly increase bass, it fine-tunes the audio for a better overall listening experience with compatible headphones. One important thing to know. Right now, iPhone doesn't include a universal manual bass slider for every app. Instead, Apple uses EQ presets for Apple Music, while streaming apps like Spotify provide their own equalizer controls. That's it. Which music app do you use the most? Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. Also tell me which EQ preset sounds best on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. If this video helps you get better bass, please like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.